I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube recently saying, gone by the days whereby you have to make your thumbnail like a pro for you to get views on YouTube. Listen, if you're a new YouTuber, make sure you get your thumbnail done. People that are making those type of videos, they are not new YouTubers. Most of them have been on YouTube for 5 years, 6 years, name it all. So they'll just come to make the video for you guys because they have to sell themselves out. What do you think? So you have to learn how to make good thumbnails as a new YouTuber. The reason why old YouTubers are not cares about thumbnails anymore is because they have already know them. Even if they do like this, they are going to choose and watch them because they've already gained audience. So as a new YouTuber, you have to learn how to make an outstanding thumbnail for your videos for people to be able to choose you, especially if your videos are about tutorial or teaching people some things on your channel. If you are just like lifestyle content creator, you don't need too much. Sincerely speaking, my main channel is about lifestyle, so you don't need too much, but you still have to get things done for yourself. I'm using 4 applications for my thumbnails. You see all the thumbnails you are seeing on this channel, they are not done by one application. I know you want to have that patience enough for you to watch the 4 applications. I'm going to share with you with just 2 applications, and your thumbnails are going to look like a pro. Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to make your thumbnails on Canva and on CapCut. Let me first of all tell you the application that I'm using for my thumbnails. The first one I'm using is Photoroom. The second one is Canva. The third one is CapCut. And the fourth one is Photo. I will be putting the name here and the logo of those applications. The reason why I have this 4 applications is because they are working differently. Sincerely speaking, Canva is doing its own, the Photo is doing its own, Photoroom is doing its own, CapCut is still doing its own. Alright, I'll be using my Photoroom to remove the background. If you don't have it on your phone, go to your Play Store, type on Photoroom and download it. I'll click on the photo that I want to use for my thumbnail. Then I'll remove the background like this. And I'll go on by clicking on the transparent. That is for it to come plain without any background. Alright, let's go straight to the CapCut. I'll click on the new project, then I'll click on the library because I need a white plain background for this thumbnail. Then I'll go on by typing on my overlay. I'll tap on the add overlay. It will take me straight to where my photo is. Then I'll click on the photo that I'm about to use for my thumbnail. Let me quickly tell you this. In case you've already subscribed to the CapCut, you don't need to download Photoroom. I always use the Photoroom because of the background, because I haven't subscribed to the CapCut yet. So I really want to make sure that I do some, some thumbnail that will be okay for my video. I always try to do 2 thumbnail. Sometimes I just show people around me just to ask in case if you're to be the person to see this video, which one you like to click on. So I'll go on and type on the text just for me to write something up there. Let me quickly tell you this. If you're about to create thumbnail for your video, go to YouTube, search for the same topic your video is all about, then look at the thumbnails other people use, then use it to create your own. Like, you just need some ideas. Sometimes I do say, sometimes I'll be like, okay, let me just try to create something by myself. So this is how you get your thumbnail done. I'll go on and just to type something there. I always make 2 thumbnails, like I said earlier. So I'll first make this from the CapCut, then we go to the Canva to make another one. Then at the end of the video, I'll ask you guys to choose the one you prefer in this video. So after doing that, I'll make sure that I download it. Then yeah, it's done on CapCut. Now let's go to Canva. If you are a YouTuber, you don't have Canva, please go and download it. I'll go on and tap on YouTube thumbnail. Then I'll go on and search for the thumbnail because the one they gave me, I don't like it. So I'll go on and type on the thumbnail. So it will give me something like this. Then I'll try to scroll it down, to scroll it up so that I'll find the one that I can use. Let's search for it. Let's see. Okay, I think I like this. How to create your own channel. So it's almost the same thing like how to create your thumbnail. So let's work on this now. For you to change this photo, click on the photo that you see here. It will bring something replace. Click on that replace. It will take you straight to your gallery where your photo are. Then you click on the photo you've already removed the background. Then you add it to it. Now you're going to work on this purple line. Just try to, just try to widen it. As for me, I love to let my photo full the thumbnail size. Then, if you want to edit what the road said, just click on what you saw there already. Then you can really edit it as you want. You can tap anything that you want at all. So they wrote how to create your channel, and I need to put something like how to create your thumbnail. Now let's try it. You can see it's not enough. Like the size is not enough, the space is not enough. So I'll try to remove all these ones they put like your own channel. So let's try to type thumbnail here if it's going to work. It's still not enough. Okay, let's do it this way. I'll go on and type thumb up, then we put the nails down. Yeah, that's it. I think it's okay like this, right? So let's try to change the color. If you want to change the color of anything you see on CapCut, it's not hard. Just tap on the image, then you can change the color here. You can see color, then you can change it. As easy as that. It's not hard at all. To use Canva for your thumbnail is not hard. I'm trying to change the color. Okay, let's put it in purple. I think it's likely okay like this. You just need to be creative. You want to be a YouTuber. Sincerely speaking, just try to take something by yourself. Like, yes, get it done. Sometimes I do go to Google and search for the thumbnail, like the tools that I have to use for my thumbnail sometimes. So sometimes I just search it, then I'll go on and I'll download it. As easy as that. Now this is the result. Between this and this other one, which one will you likely to create if you were to be the audience as you are right now? I hope you have learned how to make an outstanding thumbnail by yourself. You don't need to pay anybody, right? I'm going to see you in my next video. If you haven't subscribed to this wonderful channel, please subscribe for us to grow together. Bye.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.